Say hi, everybody.
Try.
We are going to cook a banana cake today. And this is the first time Harley and I have cooked together. And I expect it to be very chaotic. Hey. Yes. Yes.
Cake.
Cake. Yeah, we're going to cook a cake. So we're cooking a banana cake. Let's do it. Do you want to sit up here? We've got Mighty Express on in the background, so Harley is watching that as well. So I've got a recipe here we're going to follow, and I'm going to get all my ingredients out to start with, and we'll go from there. Yeah. So we're going to weigh it all out, Harley. Make sure it's good. Bananas, like I'm that girl that's like left my bananas sitting on the bench for maybe a week now, and I'm like, no, I'm gonna be making a banana cake, and I just haven't got around to it. So today I'm like, right, we need to make a banana cake because we don't want to chuck them out. All right, what else do we need? Coconut oil, some yummy coconut oil. We've got eggs, 2 eggs, 2 eggs. Apples and bananas, and what else? That's it. Alright, so what we're going to do is preheat our oven. This is going to be our mixing bowl, okay? So we need a mashing bowl. Do you want to put the bananas in this one? Can you peel them and put them in here? Ready? Like this. Peel them. Ugh, these bananas are like, please, somebody use me. Apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Eat apples and bananas. Ouch. Alright. 3 ripe bananas. Mighty Express. Oh! Alright, so we've got 3 ripe bananas. We're going to mash them. Mash the bananas. Do you want to help? You can chuck this out. Here, we're not going to use the honey right now. We'll do it in a minute, okay? So, mash the bananas. Whoa! Bless your cotton socks. No, thank you. We don't need to smash my glasses. Alright. So we've got 3 mashed bananas. So we need to read our instructions. Put that there. Flour, protein powder, baking soda. Alright. So it wants us to use protein powder. I've only got the blueberry cheesecake protein powder by Woman's Best. So we're going to be using that. Blueberry cheesecake, darl. Do you like to make this? Yeah? Oh, that was close. Bacon and egg. Sit down, please. Sit down here. We're going to do this one. Here, look. Hold it here. Hold it over this. Ready? We're going to put this in it. 1.5 cups, alright? Ready? Hold it. And ready?
Thank you.
Perfect. Alright, dip it in. Yay! One more. 1.5 cups. Hang on. It's a bit much, but that's good. Good boy! Alright, now protein powder. 1/2 cup of protein. Yep, more. Ready? This one. Here we go. Perfect. Blueberry cheesecake. Yep, we're going to do 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Can you hold the teaspoon? Okay, we're done with that one. Hold the teaspoon. Ready? This one. Can you get some of this?
Cake.
Can you get this one? Okay.
Cake.
Mum, mash it together. Here we go. You do it. 2 teaspoons. In here. One more. One more. Yep, perfect. Yep. Into here. Yep, in there. Good boy. All right. Mix it together. No, mix it together. A little bit of salt. I don't have normal salt, so we're just doing the Himalayan salt. Okay. We're going to whisk it together now. No, that's not what we do. No, put that back, please. Thank you. Yeah, that's not really a thing.
Oh no.
Yes.
Nappy.
Yeah, a bit of an issue. That's alright though. Don't want to lose that in there, do we? No, we whisk it together like this. Can you mix it? Mix it together. Good boy. Greek yogurt. Keep it still. How much yogurt? Half a cup. Half a cup of yogurt and the banana. There we go. Should we put this in here? Half a cup of yogurt into the banana. And then we got to put the honey. Careful, we've already made a mess. 1/3 of a cup of honey. Can you say, honey, honey, I can feel the stars all the way from here. This is going to be 1/3 of a cup of honey. It's a lot of honey. Definitely got to make sure that Hudson does not get this one. Hey. Perfect.
Cake.
Honey. Eggs. 2 eggs. Do you want to try and crack the egg? Okay, Mum will do the first one, then Harley can do the next one. So this is what we got to do. Ready? Watch Mum. Got this? And then we got this. Yay! Okay, Harley's turn. Oh, that one doesn't go in there. That one goes here. Here, Harley's turn for the egg. Ready? On here. Bang it. Good boy. Bang here. Bang. Ready? All right. Ready? Okay, you open. Yay! Perfect. And we didn't get any shell in it either. Well done.
More egg.
More egg? No more egg. Do you need to wipe your hands?
More egg.
No, we've only got 2 eggs. Alright, the next one is a vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon. Hold this one. Can you hold that one? I'm going to put this over here. Ready? Like this. 1 teaspoon. You pour it in. Good boy. Thank you. Alright, now we're going to mix it together. Oh, you probably don't want to eat that. It's not a thing. Okay, so the next one is to do this. Ready? Do you want to pour it in? You pour it. Ready? Pour it in. Hold it here. And pour. Ready? Fuck, Molly, mate. There we go. Yep, good boy. Good boy. Right.
Mommy.
Now we mix. Like this. Mum will mix. Whoa. Nummy nummies. Can you say cake? Cake.
Cake.
Yeah, the cake.
Cake.
Yeah, it's cake.
Yeah.
Alright. Mix it all together. I have a feeling it's going to taste like blueberry cheesecake because of our protein powder.
Cake.
Yeah.
Cake.
Alright.
Cake.
Yep. Yum. Should we put the chocolate chips in?
Chocolate.
Well, how much does it say to put in? Chocolate chips. Half a cup.
Mommy.
Is it yum? Yeah. Yeah. Half a cup. Do you want to pour it in? Put it in here.
No. Mommy.
Yep, you put it in here. Can you tip it in? Yeah, tip it in here.
Mommy.
Yeah, it's quite nummy. So put it in here. Good boy. Whoa. Yep, dip it all in. Perfect. All of it. Alright, so that is our cake batter. All done. Should we have a taste tester?
No.
Oh,
No.
so good. Yum. Is that yum? What?
No. Don't.
Oh, I'll put it in there.
No.
We're going to get our cake tin. Oh, I forgot to add the coconut oil.
Chick-fil-A.
How much coconut oil did we miss? Look at my belly with the powder.
Chick-fil-A.
Shoe fly. Coconut oil, half a cup. That's a lot of coconut oil. Sorry,
Chick-fil-A.
1/4 of a cup. I'll use this one. That's half a cup. Do a half, eh? There we go. Okay. Now we've got, yeah, you mix that one in. Mix it in. There we go. Yum. Baking paper. Shove that in there. Baking paper has never really been my strong point because it just confuses me, Dal. And every time I spray my tins, like it still sticks. So I don't know. All right, you ready? Should we put it in here now? Ready to cook? Okay. Do you want to pour it in? In here? You want to pour it in? Or do you want Mum to pour it? Mum, pour it. Ready? Whoa, yum. Does that look good? Yep, you pour yours. Do we need more chocolate chips? I feel like we do.
More chicken.
Yeah, more chocolate chips. There we go. That makes it better, eh? Alright, and here is our batter, cake batter. I don't want to tip it out, but here we go. So that's going to go in the oven at, what have we got? 170, 50 to 60 minutes.
Cake.
Yep, cake. Say bye, cake. It's going to go in the oven. Here it goes. For 50 to 60 minutes. Say see you soon. Come back when you're all yummy or set a timer. Might just set it for like 45 minutes, just in case.
5 minutes.
Yeah. 5
More egg. More egg.
No. There was only 2 eggs in that recipe. And then my temperature's a bit high. Alright, is that all done? Do you want more batter?
No.
Give it an hour and we'll come back to it.
More egg.
More eggs, now the eggs are gone.
Don't be bait. Don't be bait. Nothing.
What is that?
No.
Noms?
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
You got your handbag?
What?
What's that?
Taylor's.
Oh,
Taylor's.
Taylor's. Timer went off. And I actually, if I'm being honest, totally forgot that this was in the oven. So hopefully it's good. Good doggy. Check it out. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. Okay. Oh. Yep, thank you. We're going to open our cake now. Out of the oven, looks beautiful. Look, show the camera. Oh yeah, it's hot. This is hot, not too bad.
Cake.
Should we cut it? And we can try some.
Grateful.
Sit down. Sit down here. Sit down here, please. Okay, you ready? Alright. I'm gonna cut a piece. Mum's here. Thinking that it's tragic. Oh, look at that! Yum!
Yum! Did Harley
Yeah.
make that?
Bite. Oh, banana cake.
Nan, have a bite?
There's a bite. Nobbies. Here, Harley, have some. That was my healthy banana cake recipe. Not really that healthy though. Look at it.
That's good.
So good. All the chocolate chips.
And the fly,
Yep.
chew fly.
All the goodness. Yeah.
Shall I take a piece home for Papa G?
Yep.
The Kiwi Bake Shop.
Oh, yeah. Excuse you.
Jesus. Right, see you soon.
Say bye, Nana. Thank you. Say thank you.